sé aine ní chorain agus tá builte bhór rób thug se le héine tróna galanta is seáidúir agus is seá haideachta sa inis tá fear ág bhil fear ágan na ríú bhfuil aine go mar a bhí se an na lád go chuide ág na rithart le haid cuistí héin. But vísing pa Robert o mil heran na Robert Mulhern mar hag na Jenny Robert Mulhern is so hi ter gefáil. Grodeart inta special te ga. Vi se cealta suine a tiús muita sinna ligir vi talent inta Robert. Vi se goni cruúia, goni ceol, agus ví gom sa agus sé na roisian na gasra pa buide go tehi inta mai am nenda Robert. Agus sa luchai wóra an tranóri niu well Robert Mulhern as bidor a mo haideachtain seo and St. Ireland Robert a poet wrote.
I'll change the jazz and shin go my thing. I don't know about all that, but like
oh, shall I get here fear more we shall go ni na gasar mai. Well, I just moved on. I just moved on. The Greg Adder agus Burelish eta ducha how agus vitin. Oh. Sin canim thug sé dála bhí
na gacha
na
gacha í dói
agus bhí cheal aimach chu mar na gacha but gasarí gáanta bhí an tú agus dúirt me bhí talent inta talent ar fád tá gáanta go bhí just an air fan inis le do bhíon ceáil na tútha be
just tútha couple of bliana hon again ceol shoegazing in Gaeilge, but she'll really fame on shoegazing in Gaeilge yenu mar you'll have an gloric listen to mar gart because you'll really punch you listen so start machine agus hashima yenu ahana lefum just ahana lefum like can doesn't matter like ni
you're insuring to disappear Robert but can you lot
I just
shoegazing
aye My Bloody Valentine Cocktail Twins and stuff aside and stuff have been I don't know there's a tradition here that one actually Alex is in Ballyclea Father Vanium Kevin Shields along as Bugshagoody London but I like Nian Smithson is more New Milam and
what should I hush it to
yeah
and Sky to touch our danger
aye well yeah we said more simply on Kjall Glorifulum mar Neil Sarah like Ards and Masculine so you talk like questions like that shouldn't find that one punch more like you said you should get a couple like what is it
so instead of a tour Shayid Kim para show
Ashley
hello agus ke show
Matthew
agus
Seamus near Seamus the banner but being so copy the
show para TV
show Sula wine and rapper Gaelic and Gaelic as a Kerry
oh it's Kerry to him oh French road could be door
Ramil Mahmoud
doing show Hannah
oh these couple of out ni roast leaves now to show me kill box now it's even not to I should even so hasty ach as minnig vis en mile
Sure. Well, the French War Road. I guess Robert, can I catch you go to Saint Says to go to able to the Harum and group of shot target a hort could you the wall ahead go hard.
Just her bleep by.
Big shade is definitely something you push for.
Oh, aye. Yeah, my boy. Yeah, like Sean kid wore a bull majingi doy, I guess the alarm fishing actually, because like the little brew and I guess the man get a big nervous.
What should they wall a hen or no you chart like two catcher stage bishna?
Yeah, better, yeah. But the Costco my once chart could you gig a handle gig is just the way it is. The lyric Kyoto immersion actually just like that's all
getting mommy na granny na grandja na uncle na tayabi. So Robert ken with a castle like hele gus genta danig shab like hele.
I think beetje de hele in Galliv, Bullmelish and Farshaw, Ashley, open mic of him in Rartal and T Porrick tap Porrick's place in Galliv. Yes, only small, but it's gone. But it's a rugged Porrick O'Connor actually. Porrick O'Connor is in Galliv in Philly. So Vicious in the Balloon Sacks. I was just tossing with a balloon in here. And you shouldn't be with a giggle. We could be in Kakagun like I guess near in much more and I guess Jerry, but rest of the big all come away. Had a quick gig with the banner, yeah, just like kill the we get a big green annoying, so can you really be annoying?
Yeah, what does she have York? It had to Puya, be goni, near the Sessa, get you a glockula rudder be, against the Vala, hey, and against the boy yard, but had to get even exable rupiella. Martian Einstein and Rupa Morshaw can't be door than here to a north.
102. Unbelievable, killing the banny is far and down the units of steel call, Scadamana, which can Scorna, call Scorna, I should the unit, but a tradition called Taku on edge in Mongolia, well, Tasha two-skirt Mongolia, Tuva and Tasha Hanixas. Ik naar Rusland vasten, so we should in the country actually Russia naar Burma af, because you know, but it's niet costing that dini, it's a chain, not that costing once in the Rush, like Kurgas, the Balaklian is called na Tuva, not in Moscow, so you know, it's more online, so the shit in chart the show, like, but the get them in arm show, like, because the shit just gone, you're on it, my bioid. Ach, you know, had ik maar YouTube jeden jaar minstens al jeugd en dat had ik maar a hitchman rail is een steel because I'm not because we might get a year in my hand but there's a rock complicated so.
Yeah. Agus gejenda really lad begogus door and group more Shaw as Mongolia a value go door.
3 email. Sinne.
Show me what they glad in her email at Tasha Intadali group more koi more as Mongolia a value your question going also because you're on 2 fair play that
when you're Russia Jack actually just a couple of Merkel and just skip a garage because we should poof.
Yeah. So I'm still get a special to fast good steel toy.
hun tú. Wat is bú tá sé a casa le ceá seannos na héanna, is a can na hanvíhes na an timpach na blehanne an mó socialte acu. Just an wat sé a casa le éannach an dá héile le no ní spóí sin so a couple ten a hurle sin fu a fum kennel dat cearna acu le tá fidal acu Jo gom tarne a castle no gom tan mat an earle sin.
So tá early si trú le.
Aye, but that sort like ag jerin le ma mal to she's cealt edition in the herin leis an the castle
Didn't she the good word she ain't could savannah didn't she agus bí siad buinn si úsáid as cricin gair.
Agus crevan a fásta fan je dromí cru fásta.
Soft pe exlat white coil le flush an order. Robert and Chagas.
Oh, well, Voiles le Rab is toch timppel le blian Faviles Cadiag no Robs Cuidia agus the kind of more le chéile dú se tá ceoder sú.
Bhí muid aonanta alta an chéad am bu
Cíine se stigin áras na gaiir doch sa bhí chuim ceol bhí gigéigen te Rabistí an son agus ó hína le hamíd I deang bhá agus duine mí ceol le chéile. Chuidir Rab ceolchúm riafost leis. Agus is fad bhí mar deangháil chéile tú riafost. Chuann sé ceolchúm agus is son bí na géisteach le nach chud ceol agus chuann se spregan se focail agus scríam sios na focail an geol le Rab agus is son seolalam tafad den Lord is na focail agus is son duine Rab an masterál agus an mixáil éis. So it's more rud aá na Birán ag an Versa. Ceol annach daine fut na héan. Agus haar leirdas
maigad, but like she's
Well, má seán ar bheitú a bhilliú Robert Jen Jarabad in iste a chuide chuirde agus
Ní bhéir dunne bhí na millioní in seo can't imagine not all of us.
So Robert caiite bud a gáí é seo bhil siad bhfuil plan an na móra go dan bhuion ceáile tugad an seán na bhil si gal th lear ná bhfuil plan an na bígad.
Well, tá an léir gigan é chuirla chéile, but níl gurí seo híana rihan agus smíú.
Tá seir sáile bheith? Táisfart an seo sáile?
Well, yeah, just faoi genta, like, cos anna brú leis, like, tá dí an na thuras, bhí me gurí éfat milsin é and just a good profession to us at the Malbalta, but níl mé that profession to us.
Oh, my.
Smáim get about gáhan nuir má go bígus.
Jening gníir has a héimeis go se inta profession agus talí.
Oh, yeah.
Bhína chorcha go héin ag gachéin alíon fóil.
Yeah. Well, Robert, much intaint abroad agus bísa go gcóí go go dhéanú brithe inta mai agus taménta sésta agus bíon gadra hart.
Tá sin gur maigus na fála, but sé get a big jackal íd na chluise.
Well, se le aine agus be duine leh go rialta, nus an cinnéid mé in headúile a béimiid leh ó airlan bhídó go rialta le se le aine ag dul go mór le chum cheáil na híon áirt agus mór ar slán go fáil go meidir canta bh ríist.